Hello everyone. Have you ever seen such questions and you couldn't do? This is what I want to do today. Two steps equations. Now, we will do all these questions during this video. Please try to solve it yourself first if you can. If you can't, it's alright. You can follow me and then try the next one. I'll start with the easiest. 3y plus 6 equals 12. The most important thing, you look at the side where you have the letter or the variable, this side here. To solve, we don't need to see anything else other than y. We just want y. So we need to get rid of the 6 and we need to get rid of the 3. We always get rid of the plus and minus first. Keep this in mind. We first get rid of the plus or minus. If you see plus, do the opposite, which is minus 6 to get rid of it. So the 6 and minus 6 will cancel. On the left side, you just have 3y equal 12 minus 6 is 6. So 3y is 6. We don't need to see 3y, we need just y. How do we get rid of the 3? Divide by 3. Why did I divide? Because 3y means 3 times y. And we get rid of it by doing the opposite. So we divide by 3. Just like the plus 6, we did the opposite of plus, which is minus. We do the opposite of times, which is divide. So we divide both sides by 3. Now, the 3 cancels the 3. And the y equals 6 divided by 3, which is 2. That's it. So the most important things to remember, two things. Do the opposite, always do the opposite. And get rid of the plus or minus first. It's just these two things to remember. We do the opposite. If you see plus, we do minus. If you see times, we do divide. And then we get to solve it. Let's look at more examples. Minus 9x plus 1 equals minus 80. So we see plus 1, we get rid of the plus 1 first. How do we get rid of the plus? We do the opposite of plus. So minus 1. The minus 1 and 1 cancel. On the left side, you have just minus 9x left. On the right side, you have minus 80 minus 1, which is minus 81. How do we get rid of the minus 9? We divide, because minus 9x means minus 9 times x. So we divide by minus 9. Minus 9 divided by minus 9 is 1, so it's cancelled. You just have x equal negative 81 divided by negative 9. It's negative divided by negative is positive. So it's just 81 divided by 9, which is 9. Next, this one here. We get rid of the plus or minus first. So we will get rid of this minus 6 first. Do plus 6 on both sides. This cancels. On the left side, you have x divided by 4. On the right side, you have minus 5 plus 6, which is 1. So x divided by 4 equal 1. How do we get rid of the 4? It's divided by 4, so we get rid of it by doing the opposite of divide, which is times 4. 4 and 4 cancel. Now we finally got only x equals 1 times 4 is 4. Can you try this first? Pause and try it. Now we see plus, we get rid of it first by doing minus. The 2 cancels the minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 on the left side. On the right side, you have a divided by 4. How do we get rid of divide by 4? We multiply by 4. This 4 cancels the 4. You have a equals 4 times 4, which is 16. Is it making sense? Is it easy? Also, pause and try this, please. You see minus 5, You get rid of it by doing the opposite of minus, which is plus 5. Cancels. 3h equals 27, h equals 9, because we divide by 3. This is the last example. Please pause, try it. So we see plus 1, we do minus 1, cancels. H divided by 4 equals 9 minus 1, which is 8. Multiply by 4 to cancel the 4. H equals 8 times 4, which is 32. Do you think you understand? If you do, please try this. 5x plus 5 equals 15. And that's all for this video. Try this, please. If you got it wrong, it's not a problem. If you got it correct, that's fantastic. Thank you for following. Bye.